So this is really about building the soil. We get some potatoes out of it, but the purpose is always just to build soil. So I dug a little rock up over here. I just want to show you what the soil used to be like in this field. You can see it's really sandy. And down here, it's almost 100% sand. See that material there? No organic material. So that's what this whole field was like when we got here, was this sandy material. And since then, we've added, the pigs came in, and then we've done potatoes here twice now. So you can really see the soil strata that's developing. And it's a solid 8 to 12 inches of black topsoil now that you can just run your hand through. Just as rich. Big difference than what's in that hole. So can you explain quickly what's going on, or about to run out of batteries?
I am reshaping the beds so that
soil around on the bed and smoothing out the surface and shaping the bed so that we can maintain just a small footpath and have a nice raised bed edge. And this will allow for better penetration of water. There's no lumps. You can seed into it easier come the spring. Or if we're going to plant garlic or cover crop, whatever, it's much easier to seed on something like this than something that's lumpy like that one. So that's what we're doing. We're just ending it all. Ending and beginning the bed.
So maybe a little mulch, maybe a little rye, but it's getting late in the season.
Yeah. Well, we may plant garlic in these rows, so that would be good.
Gotcha.
That's a thumbs up.
A dirty thumbs up. Let's see your hands. Oh yeah. Gardener's delight. This is Matt, a former auto shop technician, who's now describing the business he was in as if it was Wall Street.
I was a restoration technician.
He's a reformed restoration technician. Now he harvests potatoes.
And herd sheep.
I sit on my butt in the dirt.
You'll get better at that, Matt.